Hello everyone, welcome back to the spoken English class with the next topic 10 luxury fashion brands. As more and more fashion brands are coming to India from different parts of the world, the pronunciation of these fashion label names and clothing brands goes wrong and you pronounce the fashion brand's name incorrectly. Avoid these pronunciation mistakes and learn how to pronounce. Now, come to the first one. Let's see. Nike. Its pronunciation Nike. Nike. American multinational corporation engaged in the design, development, manufacturing, and worldwide marketing and sales of footwear, sports apparels, equipments, accessories, etc. Okay, check the pronunciation. It is your Nike. Nike. Next is your Amazon. Okay, Amazon. 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 Okay, the Amazon allow to shop and pay across a wide selection of products online. Now, third is your Tommy Hilfiger. Tommy Hilfiger. TOMMYHILFIGER. Tommy Hilfiger. This brand is American premium clothing brands and company manufacturing apparel, footwear, accessories, fragrance and home furnishing. Okay. Now fourth is your Levi's. Levi's. Levis apostrophe S, it is Levi's. Check the pronunciation. Levi's. Okay. We are looking this name American clothing company known worldwide for denim jeans. It is related with the denim jeans. All wear, boys and girls both are wearing. Okay. Come to the fifth one. VERSACE. Let's see how to pronounce the name of famous luxury and fashion Italian brand VERSACE with the typical Italian pronunciation Versace. Italian pronunciation is your Versace and the American pronunciation is your Versace. Versace. Okay. Come to the next one. Sixth, BENETTON. 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 Okay. The united color of Benetton today in Italian brand of Italy it is. Okay, related to the clothing lines. It is united color of Benetton. Benetton. Seventh word McDonald apostrophe S. Check the pronunciation of this word. McDonald's. McDonald's. It is eatable item and we eat what we eat. It is related with your burger, hamburger restaurant. Okay, so it is your McDonald's. McDonald's. Come to the eighth one. Eighth is your ADOBE. 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 The American multinational computer software company Adobe also made the list with many saying is your Adobe. It is related to the multinational computer software company. Okay, Adobe. Come to the ninth. PUMA. Puma. The correct Puma in American. Puma. And in the British pronunciation is your Puma. 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 In American is your Puma and your Puma. Okay. is the brand known for the manufacturer and seller of the sport shoes. Come to the last one, GUCCI. The last word do by own and write the correct pronunciation in the comment area. Okay, make sure you practice. Okay, as much as you practice, you will going to pronounce these words correctly.